Hey guys, tonight's cook dinner with me is oven roasted chicken with fennel. We are about to roast a whole chicken. I've never done this before in my life. I have to, what is the word for it? Hold on, let me look that word up. Spatchcock. I have to spatchcock a chicken. Never done that before. You see, I did not know what that word meant at all. I had to find that. Let's get started. Oh, I have to clean the chicken first and take out the organs. Okay, so right now we are about to make the marinade, which calls for 2 oranges, some tarragon, some sugar. This smells so like loud. Tarragon is chopped, so we're gonna add that to our bowl. Okay, now we're adding a tablespoon of fennel seeds. Now I'm gonna do some real improvising here because I don't have one of those little muddler seasoning muddlers. That's not the correct name, but that's what I'm gonna call it. Okay, fennel seeds. Oop. Yeah, that's a tablespoon. Now let me show y'all what I'm gonna do. We're gonna wrap this up like this, right? You see that? Hold on, we're not done. We'll keep that there, we'll put that down. Okay, now we're gonna wrap that in plastic wrap. Y'all see what's going on here? And then we're going to smush that with this bowl. Okay. This should be what we need. Let's see. Can y'all see? Oh, it smells great. That's how the Asians eat it. Okay, that smells great, but it's not. Alright. It says the orange zest of 2 whole oranges, so I gotta zest this whole thing. I think she did mention his name. Yeah. Okay, 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Just a tablespoon. A little extra because we black. 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. We're going to eyeball that because I'm going to add some butter to this. We just give this a mix. It smells so good. I'm going off menu. Off what's called. I think this needs some pepper. I forgot to add Dijon mustard. Ugh. No. Okay. You need 2 oranges for this. I use the ones I zested. I don't know if you're supposed to do that or not, but Good idea. I don't really know what to do with this top part of this, but I am gonna cut this off. I think this is what I'm cutting out right here, where this tail is. Yeah, that's what it looked like to me. Is this supposed to come out too? Okay. 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 I think I need to like clean this out. Okay. And now we flip this over. I don't know what's supposed to happen there. How does it clean? Like that. Here's the break. Okay. I think that did it. Okay, I can put my hand under there. Okay, that was not as hard as I thought it was gonna be, but challenging to say the least. Get one of your grandma's pans. I'm pretty sure this pan is like double my age. We're gonna roast our chicken in this, because this is gonna be the key to success. That what we need to happen happens. Oh, I'm also just now discovering I cut the root off my fennel. I was not supposed to do that. Alright, there's supposed to be like a cup of orange juice going here. I'm just going to pour enough orange juice to cover the bottom of my pan. Now, oranges go on top of the orange juice. Easy enough. Orange, orange, orange. Fennel. Alright, and down on top of that goes the shallot. And apparently you just rub it all over. I am gonna put some under the chicken skin. Yeah. Yep. Yep. And goes on the inside as well. I hope I cut enough of this off. I don't know how much I was supposed to cut off. Okay, y'all, that is actually like it. Now we just kind of bake it. That's so promising. It looks like the picture If you guys aren't aware, I've been kind of failing at the dinner recipes lately. I burned the roof of my gumbo. Y'all should have seen that in the previous video. You're not gonna see this because I messed up the beef and broccoli, but this looks promising. Like, I just hope it's seasoned enough, but it should be. Okay, we're gonna wait on our oven to heat up to 4. Oh, I think it's actually heated. I think it's gotta be at 425. And you put this in there and you bake it for an hour. I'm gonna put the lid on it. Okay, and oh, that should be the YouTube, the thing. And I'm gonna put this in the oven, and we'll come back. We're gonna clean this area up. Yeah, I know when you're dealing with chicken, you're gonna incorporate a little bleach. Just incorporate this a little on the counter. Oop, that was a lot. Nope, that was a lot. It's okay. We're just gonna spread this out and just let it sit for a while. So do the different thing. Okay. Alexa, set a timer for 1 hour, please.
1 hour, starting now.
You put it under something, so I'll steam the table.
Yeah, it's on the mat. Okay, dinner's ready to be served. This is my plate. You can't see it. Okay. The girl on the video, she tasted it with a piece of chicken, a piece of fennel, and a piece of orange. So we're going to do the same thing. Orange. Fennel. I've never had fennel before in my life. And if I had it at a restaurant, I ain't know it. Fennel tastes like onion and garlic at the same time. Maybe even celery. This is delicious. The dressing, I already tasted that. It's good. Let's taste the asparagus. I just did salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, and then cooked it like for 6 minutes, and then cooked it again for 6 minutes with some Parmesan cheese on top. This is so good. Okay, I'm gonna finish eating and then we'll be back for the next recipe.